Are you saying that he treats you right?
Yes, sir. He's perfect.
So you don't stay out at night?
No, sir.
Let's get to the reason why I'm here. Son, you know what I call you? Son? The information you have as to her identity is to be taken to your grave. Or we might have to put you in one sooner than later.
Sir, please stop. I scare him.
They could, like, I understand.
You see? He understands.
From Tony and tell me the type of work she do, you see how sensitive it is, and I never do anything to compromise that. This woman mean everything to me. So, really and truly, you're not have to worry about me. Her secret and the agency secret is safe with me. As far as I know, I live with a dancer and one business owner.
Excellent. My job here is done. Son? We're good, right?
Yeah, General.
Sir.
Hmm? Oh, what? What we do? He's a chef. He's supposed to have strong hands and need flour and all. I hurt you, son?
No, General, we're good, man. We're good, General.
It's good. Just keep the bongo peas, rice and peas coming. You alright, Tommy?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Sorry?
Big up the General.
Excellent.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Him squeeze your hand.
I'm so rough, man. Come like iron dog. Bounty killer. I don't know. This is for ice. The thing I go on. No, my head, no, my hand.
What's weird? What's going on?
Rotish.
Come, mama, ice it.
Alright, thanks. Ice my head to here, babes, cause don't want a concussion.
I will come.
What do you think? What if things are going? May I try live up to my word, but I tell you I keep you in the loop. So that's why I call you for you an account of what going, right?
Alright, there.
Radcliffe forged some documents with my name on it. And I hate them I use for the site up a hilltop. Let me say a joke here. That means the project we are going up there, basically in a year name. Yeah. And the license there is for refurbishing. But them, I tear down everything and I build a whole new apartment complex. A luxury one. You know, say, me hear something like that are going up on the top of the hill. But I never really pay it much mind because it don't look like it make the news.
It never made the news. And it will never make the news. Because they have a politician in their back pocket.
And most something like that are going. And when me go up at that place there, you know, that don't look like somewhere for build no apartment complex, you know.
No. The terrain never built for that. But let me tell you something. It's from Ratcliffe involved, Tony involved. Because I remember saying forfeit the deal with me to go work with Tony. So I told them. The next thing, you look like them pull some towncraft on the people them and get them titled.
Carlton, this not sound good for you, you know. Because all the way you tell me right now, the only thing I got happen is that your name come up in the system for this. So what you gonna do about it?
Well, I set my cousin G-Code on the case. He can get some information plus try get the paperwork them for me. Get them destroyed. But me I call him, I'm not hear from him. Now that have me concern.
Hey, it's from the cool boy they involved. Me not trust this, you know.
I'm here to tell you. That's why I'm worried about G-Code so because this is not like him for now answer him phone. I know I just yesterday me and him have the conversation now where I tell him say the reason why I'm stay away from the family all along because of the business of inner and I know people come after me and if them can't reach me, they can reach a family where them know them have connection with. I want you to know. I gotta tell you. And G-Code are real youth, you know. Because even when my name did all over the news and my lifestyle is grimy, I'm the only family member will stay close. Call me and check up on me. And say, cuz, I watch your face, my day anytime you need me. Every little information I need, I could call him and him get it for me. From shipping, construction, no matter what. Them man they come like a data bank. He always get the information so I can tie the knots them together.
One thing I have to tell you. You see anything you want to do, just let me know. Alright, now me go up and go find out what I want.
No, Trevor. You just build. Right now, I have to play this safe.